Okay. There's going to be a fun presentation where we go from very simple to what, people think logarithms, oh no. That's actually very simple. But basically, it's algebra. And what we're going to do is start in very concrete and move to drawing. This is Montessori 101, 3 period lessons, right? Start in the concrete. These are threes. We talk about these threes. Well, if I know this is 3 and this is the smooth side, then that could be x. And let's see, I can count 1, 2 there, and I can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can start going from my concrete to a drawing of it, and then I can start labeling my drawing and then moving. Oh, look, you can even see the 6 divided by x. Can you see the 6 divided by x? Look, you can even, oops. And then we get these naughty people involved, and they try to confuse you. But don't worry. X is contained in 6 2 times. But here it is. You can actually see it there. You can actually see it there, right? 6 divided by x. There's the symbols, right? You can see it actually, right? If we were writing it like that, and of course we could just turn it. And then, oh look, no fun, get back to 1. Oh, look. So there you go. If 2x is 6, x must be 3. Oh, look, you can see the 3. Oh, look, there's just logic and reasoning. And look, it's just economy of motion, because drawing all of this takes too long. It takes too long to draw all of that. So what do? We shorten it down with symbols. Right? So economy of motion, which is natural human tendency, and then economy of symbol. And then remind me about this presentation for children where you give everybody a quarter and start talking about bases and so forth. But the idea that every kid in the room gets a quarter, and then you can start saying, well, 4 quarters makes $1, and then if I can count how many, and then for every 4 kids you put an adult there, and then if you count the adults, it tells you how many quarters, and then you can do fractions from there. Anyway, there's all kinds of fun stuff you can do if you bring a roll of quarters to a classroom. Anyhow, the idea is I will go over this presentation from start to finish, right? Because this is already done, and it's always overwhelming when there's so many symbols and so much stuff on the board. But when we start from here and just work our way through it, you'll understand that it's not concrete drawing abstraction. Symbols, along with drawing and the concrete, lead to abstraction. Right? Allows you to think in the abstract with just this is basically just shorthand for what's going on in your head, supposedly, the pictures that are in your mind. All right. Crouton Ramon's HouseOfMath.com for so much more.